Next thing I want to show you is the pirate's move. Now, this is a move we're going to do with our hands in this position, resting, I do it that way, resting on our upper chest with our fingers over the top. So we're working on the top of our trapezius and we're working between our shoulder blade and our spine. You can get about a third of the way down there with that. Now, this move, when people do it, they tend to raise their elbow up and hold their breath while they're doing it. As soon as you're holding your breath and you raise your elbow, you're just bruising yourself. It's the most painful way of getting rid of this drama that people get in their shoulders. So we don't need you to put yourself in more distress in order to give you pain relief. So when you do this move, rest your arm on your upper chest with your fingers over the top, and all the work comes from your elbow, and it's just a pull across with your elbow. Now, it's a nice, easy move. It will be painful when you do this, especially when you're using your good hand on your worst elbow, or worst shoulder, I should say. This can come really tight. So when you express that pain, I'd like you to hear, or I'd like to hear your inner pirate when you deliver that. So what I'd like to hear, ooh, ah, I want you to express it because it's pain going, not pain coming. So have some fun with it. Let it go. Ooh, oh, it feels better. Now, if you want to make it deeper, and you might do, because as effective as this is, there may still be rocks left in your shoulders and your neck that this doesn't get to. If you want power, I want you to take your middle finger and cross it with the index finger behind. That way we protect this joint and we can use the power in the middle of your finger, the tip of your middle finger. And now when you do it, oh boy, oh, you'll really know about it now. So the pirate needs to come out again. Ooh, ah, have fun with it, because this is a nice way of energizing that whole part of your body, and bit by bit we'll get rid of all this drama that you may have been carrying around with you for months. Now, the nice thing to tell you is that when we're doing this kind of work, your unconscious body will do a lot of the hard work for us subsequently. So as sore as it might be at the end of a session with self-care with me, over the next couple of days you should find it gets better and better and better without you actually having to take further action. So it's something to look forward to.